In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitch banner in Canva. A clean, on-brand banner helps viewers instantly recognize your channel, and getting the size right keeps everything looking sharp. For Twitch profile banners, a commonly recommended size is 1200 by 480 pixels. That ratio ensures your graphics and text are crisp and won't look stretched. Start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com. Then log into your account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Twitch banner or simply banner to bring up ready-made options designed for Twitch. If you prefer to set your own canvas, click to create a custom size and enter 1200 for width and 480 for height, making sure the units are set to pixels. Next, browse the Twitch banner templates. Take a moment to consider your channel's vibe, whether it's bold and high energy, minimal and modern, or somewhere in between. Click a template you like to open it. Think of templates as a starting point. You can change anything, so pick one that's close to your style, even if the colors or images aren't perfect yet. Now it's time to customize. To replace images, drag your own photos or graphics from your computer straight into the banner. They'll snap into place if the template has image frames, or you can position them freely. Use the crop and position options to center important parts of your image and keep key visuals away from the edges so they don't feel cramped on different screens. Choose high-resolution images so everything looks crisp. Update the text by clicking any text box and typing your channel name, tagline, or other short info you want viewers to see at a glance. Keep it concise and legible. Adjust size, spacing, and alignment to create a clear hierarchy, with your channel name as the main focal point. If your background is busy, add a subtle shape behind the text or increase contrast to maintain readability. Refresh fonts and colors to match your brand. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts, perhaps a strong display font for the title and a simple sans serif for supporting text. Stick to a consistent color palette and make sure there's enough contrast between text and background. Small tweaks to letter spacing, line height, and alignment can make the design feel polished. When you're happy, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics or JPEG for a slightly smaller file size. Save the file, and you're done. You now have a custom Twitch banner ready to represent your channel with style.